In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an admin to your LinkedIn business page so that they can go ahead and post on your behalf and make changes to your page for you. So it's really simple on how to do this. All you need to do is go over to the icon in the top right hand corner here and locate the business page that you want to add an admin to. In this case, I'm going to do the Digital Growth Agency. And then what you want to do on your admin page of your LinkedIn business page account, you want to come down to the settings tab. You want to go over to manage admins. You want to click add admin, and then you want to search for whoever you want to add. In this case, I have just created a temporary profile of my own to add. And then what you're going to get to choose from are 3 levels of access on what that person is allowed. So the first one is Analyst. This is basically they'll only be able to see analytics. Content admin, they'll be able to do things such as posts and comment on things, remove comments, etc. And then of course you've got super admin, where basically, let's say you were transferring the ownership of this page, they could literally go ahead and delete this page. So be really careful on who you actually give super admin to. But that is essentially what you need to do. Go ahead and click save, and then that person would have been automatically added to your page, and they'd be able to find it in their drop down here in the top right hand corner. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.